Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you backup light for Toyota Camry. As you see, these are the original one and this is from Lasfit. Let's go ahead and open it quickly. When you look at the light bulb, it has around 16 LED chips. Let's go ahead and open all the clips around there and take it out. Let's go ahead and remove them. This is the original one, left side. I'm just gonna remove it with one hand. It's easy like that. We're gonna take the original ones in the trunk, and we're gonna take the Lasfit product and insert it, and then the right side. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Oh, they are too bright. Let me go ahead and put them back, but while you're installing it, don't try to put it like while it's on. That's gonna be dangerous. I don't suggest that. Let's go ahead and look at it. Alright, are we ready? Yes. Okay, you can go ahead and check the first original lights and compare it with the Lasfit product.